YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel. I'm gonna store at your beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. First about the JOB, y'all ready? Got a shout out into the AM4, keeping me comfortable at work. You can use my discount code WAVY80 or the link in the video description below. I'll hook you up. Check out Into the AM, man. They got the polos, the tees, the sweats, the shorts. You name it! All the above. All right, so let's get into it. Bam! Got me a new pickup. You already know what they were. I've been said that I was gonna get these joints, and I was proven wrong. I remember when I first saw that these were gonna drop. Well, I ain't gonna fry. I was just trying to get some traction to the video. I was like, yeah, these are not gonna sell out. No, I said they are gonna sell out. Oh, it won't sit. Boy, was I wrong. Matter of fact, I even know where you can get them joints for, I think it's like $1. I say $1.79. Word right now? You ain't even gotta wait for the outlets. I can't put too many people on that, you know what I'm saying? If you're military, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. But anyway, man, here they go right here. Man, it's the box. I mean, they just switch up the box. They look nice sitting in the stuff. But anyway, yeah, man, box, white Jordan box. Bam, got the red Jumpman right there. Air Jordan 6 Retro, white, varsity red, size 10. You know how to read?
No reading, no writing, never ever, you hear me?
So I have seen these joints because I didn't have enough time to go out and get some B-roll, so I got the B-roll that I could in here. I'm gonna try to get some more if I can, but anyway, bam, go right here. I know y'all already seen these by now, and you can take a look at them in store. So yeah, man, no, our first looks, clean sneak. I have the 2012 pair, but I don't even know where they at, and I know they're looking kind of dingy around the midsole, but I might just rock them joints to work. But nah, it's a clean joint for the summertime though, I ain't gonna lie. Let's go ahead and get into the review though. See that patented Air Jordan 6 sole right there? It's blue and that kind of icy blue sole. You got the red Jumpman right there, and then you got the craters all up in here. Everything about this sole screams 90s. Anyway, take it to the medial side. The medial side, you see it's that blue icy sole. You got your navy blue color blocking right here, white color blocking right here, and then you got a little piece of navy blue color blocking. You got that patented air unit, it's clear. The upper is white and navy blue. Now, this is tumble. Is it SPB quad? No, you know what I'm saying? It is not, and it feels a bit synthetic, but anyway, who cares? Yeah, it is tumble. It's a blue color blocking right here. Eyelet area right here in blue. Take it up to the ankle, puffed out area right there. It has perforated holes. There's also perforated holes inside of the navy blue area. I tell this all the time. I remember, so my cousin, we both had the infrared 6s. Remember, I had the kid joints. He would tell me his pumped up. I was like, I ain't never, you know, but I was kind of believing him, but lied to me. Word. Takes your lateral side. Side gets all the what? Lateral side right here. So same and different. You got your air unit right here, navy blue color blocking right here, white color blocking here. Now on the lateral side, you have more of that navy blue color blocking. Now we're going to the upper, same as the medial side with the color blocking, white and navy blue. You see that tumble, perforated holes in the navy blue section right there and right there. You got your lacelet area right here in navy blue. Here you got that puffy part around the ankle with the perforated holes. 3 stripes right here. Toe box is navy blue. Leading all the way up to the tongue, it is navy blue. You got your perforated holes, white color blocking right here. Jumpman in red. Then you got your lace lock right here in red, and the Jumpman is white. Patented Air Jordan 6 tongue, Air Jordan lettering right there, and then you got your 2 holes right here. Take to the back of these girls. No pause necessary. You see hits of that navy blue color blocking right here. The sole right here is white. Got navy blue color blocking back here, kind of like peaks. White section right here. Jumpman in red. Air lettering in red. The heel tab right here, but this is plastic. It's in navy blue. And then the arc in white. White shoelaces. These are like those, I'm not good with shapes, but they're not the flat joints. Like oval. Will he do it? Will he do it? Oh, maybe. Hurry it up, boy. Whew, it's hot in here. Oh, they don't bother to give you no shoe trees no more. Cutting corners. Oh, damn. It's too easy to come out. Okay. You got your insole right here. It is navy blue. Jumpman in white. Yo, whoever be saying that they be taking the insoles out of if y'all got this pair, take the insole out. And whoever say that they take the insoles out of their sneaks to make more room, nah. Right, if I missed anything, my bad. Yeah, so yeah, these are the Olympic 6s right here. They are still in stores. If I was you and if you're not in a rush and you don't want to save, you know, wait it on out. They do not seem to be going anywhere, but hey, it's a clean joint. I would sit here and be like, yo man, I can't wait to rock these joints, but I still got my Jordan 4 white and navy that I need to go ahead and break out. And so these will be coming around the mountain when they come. You know what I'm saying? Pause if you have to wear. But nah, clean sneak. I'm looking at the color blocking though. The color blocking does seem kind of cheap, especially around the air unit. I can't really compare these to my old joints because I don't even know where they're at. But yeah, the color, I'm looking at the color blocking. It's kind of, you know, but from on foot, nobody's gonna be able to sit down, you know, and really tell. I did hear somebody say that they wish they had Nike Air on the back, but none of them came with Nike Air on the back. So what's the point? But all in all, summer sneak pretty cool. If you cop these, make sure you spray them down, especially if you're wearing some dark jeans, because once you start getting that and that, it's over, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, a couple more looks at these joints. There they go. Jordan 6s are my favorite silhouette. This is not my favorite colorway, but they're definitely my favorite silhouette. Love them because it was my first pair, you know what I'm saying? First pair of Jordan. Anyway, about to get up out of here, gotta shout out the Wave Mob. Gotta shout out everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be?
They'll help Matthew. Got it,
But that Snups.
Yeah, sure.
Your boy Wavy, you already know this is my channel. I'm still at your beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max Bigger Belly. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys. Ow.
Never know when it's gon' stop. Said you never ever know when it's gon' stop. You never know. Never know. You never know when it's gon' stop. You never ever know when it's gon' stop. You never know. You never know. Swear I almost didn't make it through the fire. Only 9 to 5 was trying to stay alive. Stay alive. Waiting on my blessings, but sometimes they ain't arrived. Fucking up my kidneys every night with this brown water. Couldn't hear my angel when it called, cause it was wound up. Niggas moving Blanco, we some cocaine cowboy. Older niggas always used to tell me you was a wild boy. I was throwing bricks at the jail, try not miss out on my break. Been in high-speed pursuit, took flight and hopped out on Jake. Now my wrist full of water, still might front you the order. Racing hands on that clock, just trying to follow my calling. Never know when it's gon' stop. Said you never ever know when it's gon' stop. You never know. You never know. You never know when it's gon' stop. You never ever know when it's gon' stop. You never know. You never know. I was locked up in that county till the phone click. All that money in the world can't make my heart rich. And they hating from afar, I'm just gon' go get it. I done lost so many niggas, they turning cold cases. Dancing with the devil, now I'm high as 4 pills. When they got my money right, I'm counting long faces. Rise up in that European, I bet they gon' send it. Never trusting all these hoes, I really don't need them. Oh no, I never trade my soul for no one. This shit been on my mind a long time. I treat my niggas to that gold mine. I really don't know what I want, oh no. Never know when it's gon' stop. Said you never ever know when it's gon' stop. You never know. You never know. You never know when it's gon' stop. You never ever know when it's gon' stop. You never know. You never know. Yes, you never know. when it's gon' stop. You never know. You never ever know when it's gon' stop. You never know. You never ever know when it's gon' stop.
Everything y'all niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy, I do other things.